2024 season. Don't get any closer than this on man clear. That ball popped off early in this for Quinn Anderson on bucket balls. The goalie needs to ride him. Oh, champions do what champions do. How about Macaulay Leather?
The numbers are in wide. How about 88 points?
So 88 points for Macaulay Leather. That gives him 337 right now. He is the #1 bull rider in the aggregate.
Wow, Warren, look at that moment there. I was going to watch this here. We're about to see Macaulay Leather do what Macaulay Leather does best. He puts the numbers together. Why not give us a good old-fashioned backflip into the arena? So what we're going to do is just before...
We're booking one right now. Let's go. It's Brady Fielder. Let's get ridiculous. Oh, Brady Fielder. Perfect. That was a bull called Rambo, a bull from Diddlings that was in contention for the Bull of the Year. And he has just fucked off one world-class cowboy, the reigning Grand Finals champion. And with that being said, it looks like
what we're doing right now, Warren, was actually just going to chat right here. It's come through on the comms. We had what happened there was Zane Hall out on the floors. So the medics have checked over Zane Hall, but he wants to re-watch that tape. So he's done his assessment, but the next step is for him, he wants to look over that vision to see whether he's going to allow Zane Hall to get over his re-ride bull. So what we might do is just have a look at the big leaderboard here and just see where we're positioned, because obviously there, Brady Fielder, he saw what happened to Macaulay Leather, he took his raps, he wanted to get the job done, and this is where we're sitting.
Yeah, Macaulay Leather has ridden all of his... So, I'd like to thank our school buck off Thomas Hudson here last night in about 4.5 seconds. We are looking to make history here in the championship round. Can the 2023 PBR Screen rookie ride the unridden bucking bull? Heads up. He's okay. He's conscious. He took an absolute shot. Look at that. He is on his feet. Folks, if you do not think that these athletes are the toughest bull riders in the world, I want you to put your hands together for my friend Zane Hall. That's not bad enough. His buddies have pushed the challenge button to try to see if they can get him a re-ride. You can see the blow, the hind foot of the warden. So they're saying that he fouled on the gate, but he hipped himself. And that was the reason that it unseated the bull rider. You can see there was definite impact from the bull.
So they're going to get the medics having.
Only one bull rider has ever ridden him out of 12 outs. And this 24-year-old, I believe this is going to be great. Austin Richardson loves bulls with spin in his hand. If this bull goes to the right, we can see a change to that leaderboard. Watch this. So I'd like to thank us.